stage now.
Yeah, I can see you now. Yeah, this is Sharon dancing on the steps as we walk along the beach.
Hello YouTube, ShazBoo Bookowl here. I'm so very much excited. I've just received this parcel and I'm about to do an unboxing. I've only seen photos of it, so I'm really excited to get this parcel opened. It's been a long time coming. I've been trying to source a Lady Bushcrafting knife for probably a year now. Was in contact with a guy in Europe, that kind of fell through. Tried to contact another Australian maker, but never heard from him again. And then finally found a fellow called Duncan Knives, and I told him what I was after. I liked one of his designs, but that, you know, I was a lady and I wanted it to be like a lady bushcrafter, and he kindly agreed to use his wife's hands as a model and make a knife that would be more suitable to my dainty hands. So anyway, I'm going to unbox it and share my pleasure with all of you. Here we go. Okay, it's been wrapped really well. Only taken a couple of days to get here, which is really exciting. So have a look at how we might start undoing this. Get it across the tape. See how I've done. Okay. Starting to get closer and closer to the knife, and it's actually got a personalized leather sheath as well. Okay, more sticky tape. It's wrapped really well. Thank you, Duncan Knives, for wrapping it so well. Okay, oh wow, look, I can see the handle already. I'm getting excited. Oh wow. Got to be very careful. Of course, I had to find the biggest pair of scissors in the house, didn't I? Okay. Okay, here we go. Yep, you can see the work of the micarta through the bubble wrap. Looking great. Oh wow. Get it out. Oop. Wow, look at that personalized sheath. My initials on it, STP. Beautiful leather work on that as well. The loop to hang it on my belt. There. Okay, here we go. Wow, look at that. Got the gimping across the top. Nice design there. And of course it fits my hand beautifully, which was the whole point. And I'll just turn it over. I'm not sure if you can see. How close can I bring it? There you go, you can see. It says Duncan and it's an echidna. Just try and hold it still. Wow, look at the reflectivity of that. You can see the camera and you can see me. Okay. Oh, that's a better shot of the... That's a better shot there. But it's olive green micarta, brass there, 20 centimeters in length. All right. So it fits nicely in my hand, and it's got a nice heft to it. Like, it's not too heavy, but there's enough weight in it that you feel like you're holding like a solid knife. So well done. Wow. Okay, so there it is. I'm super happy with that. I'm just going to turn it around this way. What a pleasure to own a Lady Bushcrafter, handmade with me in mind, not just purchased off the shop, out of the shop. And of course with its own sheath. I'm one very happy bushcrafter at the moment. Can't wait to get it out. Won't be doing it this weekend, but maybe the following weekend I'll get out and do something with it and take some video. But wow. Thank you, Duncan Knives. I'm really super happy. Big smile on my face. Okay, YouTube. Bye for now. ShazBoo Lady Bushcrafter signing out.